Your temper is a leash, and you are handing the end of it to everyone you meet. Every time you lose your cool, you prove that your internal world is for sale. Most men believe they are in control until someone cuts them off in traffic or insults their character. In that split second, the mask of discipline slips, and a child takes the wheel. Mastery is not the absence of emotion. It is the widening of the gap between the stimulus and your response. If you react instantly, you are a puppet. The world pulls the string and you dance. Stoicism is the art of cutting those strings. It is the realization that nothing outside of your own mind has the power to disturb you unless you grant it permission. You have been granting permission far too often. It's time to stop. Consider the things that ruined your mood today. A coworker's arrogance, a delayed flight, a critical comment on a screen. These are external events. They are indifferent. They possess no inherent power to make you angry or sad. The pain you feel doesn't come from the event itself, but from the story you tell yourself about it. You decide it is unfair. You decide it is an insult. When you label a situation as a catastrophe, your body treats it like one. Your heart rate rises, your vision narrows, and your logic evaporates. A disciplined mind refuses to label. When someone insults you, they are simply moving air through their lungs to create sound. That sound has no weight, cannot pierce your skin. It only hurts because you choose to catch it and press it into your own chest. Stop catching things that aren't meant for you. A man who cannot control his own mind will never control his destiny. You seek power in your career, in your relationships, and in your bank account, yet you remain a slave to a single-pointed comment. Real strength is found in the stillness. It is the ability to look at chaos and feel nothing but a cold, analytical curiosity. This is not about becoming a robot. It is about becoming a fortress. When the storm hits, the fortress doesn't scream at the wind to stop blowing. It simply stands. You must build your inner fortress through daily, deliberate practice. Start with the small things. When you are hungry, wait another hour. When you are interrupted, take a breath before you speak. Train yourself to be the observer of your impulses, not the victim of them. The world wants you reactive. It wants you distracted, angry, and easy to manipulate. An emotional man is a profitable man. He buys things he doesn't need to fill gaps he doesn't understand. A Stoic is a different kind of threat. He is a man who has decided that his peace is non-negotiable. Tonight, when you lie in the dark, do not replay the day's grievances. Do not sharpen your arguments for tomorrow. Instead, ask yourself if you stayed behind your own lines. Did you govern yourself, or did you let the world govern you? Tomorrow will bring more chaos. More people will try to pull your strings. Let them pull. Let them shout. You have nothing to prove to them. Your only duty is to the man in the mirror. Stay disciplined. Stay still. The world belongs to those who can master themselves.